Behind these towering marble pillars lies the heart of justice in America. But what really happens inside the Supreme Court? How do cases make it here? And why does it matter to you? Today, we're uncovering the fascinating procedures of the Supreme Court of the United States, the SCOTUS. Behind these towering marble pillars lies the heart of justice in America. But what really happens inside the Supreme Court? How do cases make it here? And why does it matter to you? Today, we're uncovering the fascinating procedures of the Supreme Court of the United States, the SCOTUS. In other words, if you're arguing about who left the cap off the toothpaste, this isn't the court for you. The journey to the Supreme Court isn't easy. Out of thousands of cases submitted each year, known as petitions for a writ of certiorari, only about 1% are accepted. That's around 70 to 80 cases annually. The justices vote to decide which cases to hear, and it takes at least 4 justices agreeing to put a case on the docket. But what makes a case worthy of the Supreme Court's attention? Let's just say, not every case gets a golden ticket. Once a case is accepted, it's game on. Lawyers for both sides submit written briefs outlining their arguments. Then comes the big moment, oral arguments. This is where attorneys have just 30 minutes to present their case and answer tough questions from the justices. It's intense, fast-paced, and can make or break a case. Imagine preparing for months, only to have Justice Sotomayor hit you with, "But doesn't your argument contradict this ruling from 200 years ago?" No pressure, right? After oral arguments, the justices meet in private. No cameras, no spectators, just the 9 of them in a closed-door conference. They discuss, debate, and ultimately vote on the outcome. The senior justice in the majority assigns someone to write the court's opinion, which becomes the official ruling. These opinions can set precedents that affect millions of lives. But here's a twist: sometimes the justices disagree so strongly that they write dissenting opinions. What's the impact of these dissents? Stick around, we're getting to that. The Supreme Court isn't just a legal institution, it's a force that shapes society. From civil rights to voting laws, its decisions touch every corner of American life. Understanding how it works isn't just about knowing the system, it's about recognizing your role in democracy. So, do you think the system is fair? Or does it need reform? Let us know in the comments. The Supreme Court's procedures may be complex, but its mission is simple: to uphold the Constitution and serve justice. By understanding how it works, we empower ourselves to engage with the laws that shape our lives. After all, knowledge isn't just power, it's the first step to change. The Supreme Court isn't just a building. It's a symbol. A reminder that justice, though sometimes slow and often imperfect, is something we strive for every day. The procedures, the decisions, the debates, they're all part of a larger story about who we are and who we want to be as a nation. And hey, next time someone tries to argue about the Constitution at your dinner table, you'll know more than just the preamble, right? Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, understanding your rights is the first step to protecting them. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, hit subscribe for more content like this, and share it with your friends, because knowledge is best when it's shared. See you in the next one.